It was a blunder mistake or it was a blunder. I saw him yesterday or I have seen him yesterday. He has come here today morning or he has come here this morning. So much confusion. So in this lesson I am going to talk about this type of common English sentences we normally use in our daily speaking, but somewhere there is a confusion in our mind. So keep watching this lesson from first to last and you will never be confused again. I am here with you Rajiv Bhaskar and you are watching me on Rajiv Talks. Let's begin. Let's see the first sentence. It was a blunder mistake. This is a very common sentence, but actually this is a wrong sentence because the words blunder and mistake are similar words. They normally give us the same meaning. So we cannot use double similar words like this in one sentence. So we should say it was a blunder or it was a mistake. And if you wish, you could also say it was a big mistake. But it was a blunder mistake. This is absolutely wrong. We should not say this. Now let's see the next sentence. I saw him yesterday, or sometimes we say I have seen him yesterday. Here the correct sentence is I saw him yesterday, because here you see I am talking about yesterday, means about the past time. So the sentence must be in simple past tense. I saw him yesterday. We should not say I have seen him yesterday. It's absolutely wrong. But if you say I have seen him today, then the sentence is correct because now I am talking about present time. So the sentence is in present tense. So you just keep in mind, if you are talking about present, use the present tense. If you are talking about past, use the past tense. And if you are talking about the future, then definitely you should use the future tense. It's so simple. Now let's see the next one. He has come here today morning. This is a very common sentence. We normally use this type of sentences in our daily speaking and it also sounds quite fine. But we should not say today morning. It should be this morning. So the correct sentence is he has come here this morning. Like this you could say I have come here this evening. He is going to reach home this afternoon, etc. So the point is, in place of today, we should say this morning, this evening and this afternoon, etc. Now let's see the next one. I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing. This is also a wrong sentence and we should not say this because in one sentence we cannot express double negative sense. So we should either say I don't know or I know nothing. But I don't know nothing, this is fully incorrect sentence. So the point is, when you are making any sentence, you should be very careful that you are not using any double negative words. Now the next sentence is, could you please repeat that again? This sentence also sounds quite fine, but actually this is a wrong sentence. If you look at the sentence very carefully, you can see here two words, repeat and again. And both the words are giving us similar sense. So we can use either repeat or again in one sentence. But we cannot use both the words together in one sentence. So the correct sentence should be, could you please repeat that? Or you could say, could you please say that again? Now let's see one more common mistake. The sentence is, please return my money back. This is also a very common sentence in our speaking and I have seen many English learners to use this sentence. This is also sound quite fine, but this is actually a wrong sentence because again in this sentence we can see two words, return and back, and they are giving us similar sense. So we cannot use return and back together. So the correct sentence should be, please return my money, or you can say please give my money back. But we can never say please return my money back. This is absolutely wrong. I think you got it. Now let's see the next one. My new computer is more better than my old one. this is a comparative sentence, and normally we think that this is a correct sentence, but actually this is a wrong sentence. So the correct sentence is, my new computer is better than my old one, because better is already a comparative adjective and more is also a comparative adjective. And in general rule, we do not use double comparative degree in one sentence. But if you want to say much in place of more, then the sentence is correct. My new computer is much better than my old one. Because much is working here as a quantifier for the word better. It shows the difference between two things, whether it is a big difference or a small difference. It is just saying the amount of it. So if you want to say that the computer is a lot better, you can say much better. But more better is completely wrong. So you could definitely say much better, not more better. Let's see one more interesting sentence. I saw a beautiful dream last night. Now see here, are you getting any error in this sentence? Yes, there is a silly mistake in this sentence as well. Actually, when we talk about any dream, we say, I have a dream, you have a dream, we had a dream, they had a dream, etc. But we should not say, I see a dream or we saw a dream. No. So the correct sentence is, I had a beautiful dream last night. We had a beautiful dream last night. So I see a dream or I saw a dream is absolutely wrong. Just avoid it. Now the sentence I am going to mention here is for the people who are not afraid of mistakes, because they believe that mistake is the pillar of success. So let's see the sentence. I did a mistake. Now think, is it a right sentence or wrong sentence? No, this is not a right sentence. The right sentence is, I made a mistake. We should not say, I did a mistake, because make is the appropriate verb for mistake. So we should say, I make a mistake. I made a mistake. He makes a mistake. He made a mistake. They made many mistakes, etc. Now look at this last one. When someone comes to our home and calls us, we normally say, someone is knocking the door. And this sentence seems to be quite right, but there is a common mistake in this sentence. We should not say knocking the door. We should say someone is knocking at the door. He is knocking at the door. They are knocking at the door. Because at is the appropriate preposition just after the word knock. So we should say knocking at the door, not knocking the door. That's it. So guys, these are the 10 common mistakes people generally get confused while talking in English and make many mistakes. So practice these common sentences and keep using them in your daily speaking to improve yourself. And if you like this lesson, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friend. That's for today. I'll come back with more such interesting lessons. Till then, take care. Bye.